In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into the Walmart IDP using a quick Google search. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what to expect as the page loads, and how to enter the few details the system asks for so you can get signed in smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Walmart IDP sign in. This is the fastest way to get to the correct page without having to remember a long web address. In the results, look for the official Walmart sign in link. Make sure you're choosing the legitimate Walmart site, not an imitation. A secure padlock in the address bar and the Walmart domain are good indicators you're in the right place. Go ahead and click the Walmart result. Now give the page time to load. It's normal for this page to take longer than a typical website, especially during busy hours or on slower networks. Try not to click repeatedly or refresh too quickly. Just let it fully load so all sign-in fields appear correctly. If your connection is a bit slow, patience here prevents errors later. Once the sign-in form is visible, locate the field for your user ID and type it in carefully. Double check for typos before moving on. If you're using a shared or public computer, avoid saving your user ID in the browser for security purposes. Keeping your credentials private is important for protecting your account. Next, add your country or region. You'll typically see this as a drop-down list. Selecting the correct country or region ensures you're routed to the appropriate environment for your work location and that the system applies the right settings. After that, add your location. This might be your store, facility, or office location. Choose the one that matches where you work. Accuracy here helps the system find the right access for your role and location. So take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct option. When those details are in place, click Sign In. If the button doesn't respond immediately, give it a moment. The system might still be processing. Depending on your organization's configuration, you may see on-screen prompts afterward. Follow any instructions shown to complete the sign-in, and that's it. You searched for the Walmart IDP sign-in page, opened the official link, waited for it to load, entered your user ID, set your country or region, added your location, and clicked sign in. Keep your information secure, and you'll be able to repeat this process quickly whenever